Tell us about Yuna. Ladies first.
Si Yuna, sobrang masayahin niyang bata. Madali siyang pasayahin basta may pagkain. Pero yun, hindi siya yung iyakin na sumpungin na baby. So very thankful kami na mabait siyang bata. Mana daw sa daddy.
Happy first birthday, Yuna. Wishing you the best of everything, for you deserve so many happy things. Happy birthday and may God bless you always.
And our winner is Ate Keisha. Thank you. Birthday, Salbrad.
Huwag kang maging matulugin, B. Tulog na siya eh. Charis. Ayan. Happy birthday, Bibi. And maging beautiful ka pa. Ang ganda-ganda niya eh. Nasa lahi. And I hope na mapalaki ka ng maayos ng mga dearest parents mo. Kitang-kita naman. Ayan. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Anyway, no, you know me. I'm your Nong Nang already. So anyway, we are your default host from now on until you're 18.
Today is all about fun, laughter, and making magical memories with our birthday girl. So can we find out where's our birthday girl? There she
We
is.
wish that you will continue to grow as you are, as such a beautiful, smart, and then of course, she's always smiling. We want you to always be happy.
Oh, I don't have that much of a wish other than just please don't grow up. Please don't grow up too quickly. That's what I mean. I wish you the best. And no matter what happens in your life, regardless of all the blessings, the challenges that you might face, me and Ate Magic are always here for you to help you with whatever you need. Assignments, her projects, her no, all of your school stuff. Her also.
Hi, baby Yuna. This is your Lola. Lola Old. Someday, anak ko, you'll look back and see this picture. You will remember that everybody loves you so much. You are the greatest blessing in our family, and we love you, Yuna. Happy birthday, anak ko.
Ang gustong-gusto ko talaga yung hindi siya makulit. Nakikita ko na hindi siya pasaway balang araw. Wish ko kay Yuna good health. Ganun pa rin, mabait pa rin siya. Happy birthday, Yuna. I love you. Sagutin ko na yung lechon baka mo.
She was actually unexpected. Our prayer was just, sabi namin, kung ibibigay ni Lord, ibibigay no, at the right time. Pero ayun, Yuna was God-given. I believe on a perfect timing.
We wish you the best. Grow up to be a very, very good girl.
Yes, you're lucky to have very good parents.
We wish that you will be a very good girl and a very healthy baby.
Be happy always. Be kind like your dad. And then respect your parents always. Yeah. See you around. After a year since we got a hold of her, she's very nice, cute, masayahin. Ayun, we're just very happy. Yuna, anak, today is April 12, 2025. No, so your next birthday will be in 17 years. Sa debut mo na isusunod.
Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful day, a day of blessing, praise, and thanksgiving for our dear Alexandra Yuna. Yuna Alexandra, please keep us all in your care, especially Yuna, who is celebrating her first year today. God bless you, Yuna. Happy birthday.
She was actually unexpected. Our prayer was just, sabi namin, kung ibibigay ni Lord, ibibigay. No, at the right time. Pero ayun, Yuna was God-given. I believe on a perfect timing. Sana lumaki ka na masunurin bata, mabait, and of course, very happy child.
Ako, wish ko sa'yo, anak, sana pag napanood mo to, nakita mo to, yung smile mo, ganun pa din. Kasi sobrang ganda ng smile mo. So, after 18 years mo to. Basta, pag binalikan mo to, pag malaki ka na, sana maalala mo kung gaano ka kasaya. And lahat ng ginagawa namin is for you. All we want is for you to be happy. We love you so, so, so much.
Happy birthday, Yuna! We love you, baby!